Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing adding stuff to slime. Well, not slime, but we're just going to be taking parts of this medium slime in two parts, and we're just going to be making some slime out of it. So I think we're going to be ripping it into 3 parts. So here's one. Here's 2. So I have 3 pieces. First one I'll be working with is this piece. So pretty. There is foam beads in it, because if you haven't seen my last video, I think we did some slime things. So I have lots of different stuff. 2 containers for the slime, one of my old slimes. They just weren't horrible. So I have some perfume. C is Lan Contin or something. But like maybe I'll just spray that into it. I have some shaving cream. And then I have some hairspray. Literally it's like hair color spray. And then we also have some blue tie-dyed. I have used that before, and it does work. So then I have a napkin with me because I don't want it to get dirty. Okay, so the first thing, and then I have a surface that I'll be using. You can't really see me. That's why I try to get like stuff where you can see my slime. It's like really hard to do. Can you see it, guys? See that? So I'll show you when I have all the shaving cream in it. I'll show you what it looks like with the shaving cream. Both of them, I think, are going to have shaving cream. And both of them are going to have a different color. I'm not adding no scent because I was watching a tutorial where they did this. So I was thinking I would want to try it. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to first put in some shaving cream. Because I want to see. This shaving cream top is always so hard to get off usually. So I have my shaving cream. Not always the one I always use. But this one is new. And tomorrow we might be making some white slime. So this is what it looks like right now. So I just need to mix this all in. And it does become really weird when I added the shaving cream last time because I didn't film it, I don't think. It becomes like really slimy and stuff. You like wash your hands because it doesn't look like it's slime anymore. And it changes the color to like a really light pink. So I'm just mixing it and stuff. So this is what it looks like right now. That's not all the shaving cream I'm adding. It was just for now. And guys, comment down below if you guys crunch your slime if you add, like when you add a lot of shaving cream in. Because usually I can't like stop. I try not to do it, but then I do it. And it takes away the fluffiness. I'm trying to make like a really fluffy slime. I'm trying to make a really fluffy one, but I think we'll have to reactivate it, and I don't have any activators, so I'm going to try not to have to activate it, and that would just be bad. See, it becomes like all curly, and it seems like it's not going to become slime, but I've done this before, and it became back to slime. guys have done this and it became like this, don't like just throw it away. Like, because it will become slime. You just have to mix it. And it doesn't matter about your hands. Like, you can clean your hands. It's not the end of the world. I'm getting this so dirty. The shaving cream. So then, guys, back to normal. Guys, like, now it's like really bright color. And then I just take all the shaving cream back onto the slime. And it's really stretchy too. I'm going to put it in a swirl. Whoa, I just... Not the best swirl, but... That's enough for now. I'll put the slime. Now we'll move on to the next ingredient. To it. This slime is definitely being another color because I just want to change the color. I wish I had like a yellow color, but I don't have a yellow color until tomorrow probably. So I get the color, like the colors that I'm gonna be getting at the Dollar Tree because they have these like paints and stuff that you can use for slime. I've done it before and it worked. Like my first time making slime, I've done it. But I didn't video it because I didn't have a video channel. So I'm like, I just started. Okay guys, this is like such a pretty color. Like I don't want to get rid of it. Look at that. Like, would you guys want to get rid of this color? Like in person you would see it and like it's brighter than you do on the camera and it's more fluffy. It's like really fluffy than it was before. I don't want to get the fluffiness away. So guys, I'm gonna try. I don't know why I brought a mixing utensil. So I'm gonna try to I brought a drink with me. I'm gonna like add a different color. So I think I want the slime to be blue. I think I'm gonna add some blue. Shoot. Guys, shoot. This is why I brought a napkin. Because it gets everywhere. This is why I brought a napkin, because this tie-dye sticks to stuff after a while and it doesn't come out. That's why I like making stuff. Became like a really big slime. Like it was like a small piece, but now it's like so big. I'm trying to change the color, but it's like it's getting there. Like at a slow motion. Like coming to a really dark pink. It's a really ugly color right now. So I'm like trying to keep mixing. So I'm not loving the color, but I mean, it's okay. guys, this slime is like so amazing. Like I just keep adding stuff to this slime and it keeps making it stretchier and stretchier. Like guys, it's going so far. And like nothing's going away. That's good. Usually my fluffiness goes away. Done with this piece. Like, look at that. It's dark. But I wanted like a darker color. That's the thing. I don't want it this color. So I'm gonna go get the pink spray. I meant to say the blue. I don't want to use the pink because I want this color. This is fun than I thought it would be. I think that would be the second last ingredient we'll be adding. Ooh, yeah, I like the color. Let's add some of this perfume. So I'm going to put this in its container right here. Hopefully it will fit. But it fits almost. A big slime, but it fits. Ooh, guys, I have an idea to make jiggly slime. Next one. So I'm having 3 different slimes. And one of them's going to be a jiggly one. But I think I should add the color first. Because I think that would just be better. Yeah, I think I should add the color. Hairspray. You know what? I think we're gonna add some of this blueness. Shaving cream. This is going to be a jelly slime. I don't know if it would work with shaving cream in it though. Sometimes I don't know if it will, guys, because I've never done jiggly slime before. I think I know what I'm doing. All you need is hot water, right guys? Comment down below. That's right. You only need hot water. Because I don't have anything else except hot water. So if that's not right, then too bad. This color would be fine. 1, I'll be right back. Guys, this is the cup I only had available because I couldn't reach the other ones. So guys, hopefully this is right. You know what I should do it in? I should do it in this container that I have because I don't know if this is going to be right, and hopefully I don't ruin the slime. I really want jiggly slime. I have added water to slime before. I want a jiggly slime. Like a jiggly one. I think I need more warm water in there. Should be good for now. I think that should be enough because I don't want it to ruin the slime. Yeah, well, this warm water thing is not working. Shoot. This is why I said to do it in the container. Oh, I just got warm water all over this. I just got it on my table, on my carpet. It's all around. Just got it. Oh, but at least it's pretty slime. This slime. I mean, it's good. It's good. We're good. Just add the scent. We're done with this. And then we won't be adding warm water to my slimes again. Okay guys, well that was that slime. It's still the same color, which I don't like. Because I don't want them to be the same colors. I want them to be different colors. I just added some blue tie-dye to see if that would work. My hands are going to be blue. Ooh. Maybe it will sit in. It will turn a new color. Okay, that's a better color than it was. And then the last one, which I'll just be adding shaving cream to. This one. show my parents to come in here. Maybe my mom. Don't mind me. Look, I just added shaving cream to this. Now, this one I'm not changing the color to. So I think that should be enough shaving cream. So I think we're done. Now we're gonna just put these hairspray away. Mom! Mommy! Come here, I want to show you all my new slimes. My mom in here. Get in here. What is Bush just staring at? Oh, he's eating. Or he's pooping. Or he's sleeping. I think he's eating. Yeah, he's awake. He's eating. Yeah, he's eating. This weird mom to come in. Come here! Come here, Mom! So I have 3 brand new slimes. My favorite so far is this one, and it's really big. Okay, so come here. You have to get down because
If I get down, I can't get up. I'm old.
You have to do something though. So
You're not putting this in your stuff.
I wasn't. Seriously, I was gonna do it, but then I said no.
Look at your hands.
So I have 3 new slimes, and you're gonna say which one's better. So the first one is purple. Here you go.
Let me feel it.
Yeah, you have to feel it.
Ew, it feels like a booger.
You don't like the feeling?
I'm not into slime. You just love doing that, huh?
I love the sound. So this is number 1. Let's see. I added shaving cream and blue tie-dye. And then some perfume to make it smell good.
Yeah, look how much you have left now. None.
Of what?
The red slime.
I know. That's
You'll
how.
never buy that again.
So then that's one. Then this slime, I just added some blue tie-dye to it because it was just the same color and I didn't want some of them to be the same color, 2 of them. So then this is, so this is the second one. It's not butter slime. Only butter slime could do that. Okay, so this is number 2, guys. It's like a lavender. Or like, I don't really know.
Lavender's good.
And then number 3. It's so light.
You ruined all of it.
This one. I just added shaving cream to this one.
Why?
Because it makes it a lighter color.
That's my fave.
You like this one better?
Yep.
I'm gonna go ask Daddy. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and bye.